Hello guys, welcome to another video with European Snow Sports. Today we're going to discuss how we can take our carving to the next level. Alright, so we're going to talk about the white pass turn. The point of the white pass turn is to get us used to this feeling of moving from one turn to the next, leaning in. The timing, which I'll show you in the snow here. If I have my turns, the idea is I'm going to initiate my new turn on the inside leg. So as I come round and through, I finished my carve, I'm going to lift the inside, and then this one, the new inside, that's when I'm going to lean down. Okay, this is inclination up the hill. Inclination down the hill is like so. The reason we do that is because we want to have higher edge angles earlier in the turn, which will bend the ski earlier and improve our carving performance. All right. So we're going to do some white pass turns now. So here we go, I lift, I initiate, down. I lift, I initiate, down. Lift, initiate, down in the full line. Lift, initiate, down. When we're doing this, and we finish one turn, obviously our weight's been sent back a little bit. We have to make sure that as we move into the new turn, I feel my shin pressure on the boot. I need to then move the weight from, say, feeling it through the heel of my boot to the ball of my foot. If you do that correctly, putting the weight forwards on the ski as you do the white pass turn, you're going to use the front of the ski, use that design, and it will reduce the skidding and keep you in a carve position. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you found some value in that. Now, with the high-end carving, it takes a long time, so don't expect you to get this straight away. It can be quite frustrating. But I hope with these tips and tricks and understanding the timing of the white pass turn, it's going to help you initiate your turn and use more of the ski, because obviously we want to use more ski design earlier on in the turn, higher edge angles, and it's pretty wicked. It feels good. So see you on the next one.